Peer Clois Thermal पे सही सिंह पश्चिमी अफ्रीकी रेंडिनेवियन लियोनी channel. You can practice more problems on this exact topic on our Padhai Kar Lo Android app, link in the description below, or on our website padhaikarlo.com. Today's topic is Cartesian coordinates and the distance between 2 points. Let's begin. The Cartesian coordinate system genuinely locates every point in a plane using an ordered pair x, y, where x is genuinely the horizontal distance from the origin, and y is genuinely the vertical distance measured along two mutually perpendicular axes, the x-axis and the y-axis, that genuinely intersect at the origin, the point 0, 0. These two axes genuinely divide the plane into four quadrants, numbered 1 through 4 counterclockwise, starting from the top right, where x is positive and y is positive. Quadrant 1 moving through negative x positive y, in quadrant 2 both negative in quadrant 3, and positive x negative y in quadrant 4. This coordinate system is genuinely the foundation underlying every single formula in coordinate geometry. The distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is genuinely given by d equals the square root of 18 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. This formula is genuinely nothing more than the Pythagorean theorem in disguise. The horizontal gap x2 minus x1 and the vertical gap y2 minus y1 genuinely form the two legs of a right triangle, and the straight line distance between the 2 points is genuinely the hypotenuse of that exact triangle. A genuinely useful special case is the distance from the origin to any point x, y, which simplifies directly to d equals the square root of x squared plus y squared, since the origin's own coordinates are simply 0 and 0. The single most frequently tested JEE application PFP Stontu distance formula to prove geometric properties, or triangle, or quadrilateral, computing all the relevant side length and sometimes diagonals too, then compare suggest an isosceles or equilateral triangle, and checking whether the squared distances satisfy the Pythagorean relationship genuinely reveals a right angle, without ever needing to compute any actual angles directly. A frequently tested trap involves genuinely forgetting to square the differences before adding them. A very common careless error is adding the differences directly instead of their squares. Also remember that this exact same distance formula extends naturally into 3 dimensions, by simply adding a third squared term, z2 minus z1, all squared under the same square root. This specific extension is genuinely used constantly throughout 3-dimensional coordinate geometry. Let's recap. The Cartesian system locates every point as an ordered pair x, y, measured from the origin across 4 quadrants. The distance between 2 points, the square root of the sum of the squared horizontal and vertical gaps, is simply the Pythagorean theorem applied to coordinates, with distance from the origin as a useful special case. Using squared distances to prove triangle properties and extending the formula into 3 dimensions are the key skills this foundational topic tests. That's Cartesian coordinates and the distance between 2 points. Keep the Pythagorean theorem connection sharp. It's the foundation for nearly every formula in coordinate geometry that follows. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe to Padhai Kar Lo for more JEE preparation content just like this. See you in the next one.